Today is my last day in Tuscany. I'm just taking Holly for a quick walk down one of the roads near Celine's, and we're going to drive into Florence. We're going to have a quick walk around Florence, and then we're going to go back home to Positano. It's been 6 days, 2 days longer than what I planned for. I was going to come here for 4 days, but we extended it a little bit, and we've had a nice time together. And now Celine is going off to France for the winter. She'll be skiing and private chefing in Morzine, and I'm heading back to my family to get ready for Christmas. There is this beautiful little stream just by Celine's house. It sort of sounds like it's raining the whole time, but it's very pretty. Okay, it is time to leave this little house. Maybe we'll come back in spring, if Celine comes back in spring. Now we need to go and get a phone signal so we can plug into the GPS where we're going. Celine here has the same problem that I do back home, in the fact that she has no phone signal at home. So can't get your GPS ready, you can't receive any of those PIN codes from banks or anything. We've got to go down the mountain to civilization, and then we can organise ourselves. Come on! Minnie! Minnie! Good girl. I'm sitting here while Celine is washing the inside of her car in a car wash. I just wanted to explain, because I didn't really make it clear, we're both driving to Florence because Celine has an appointment there, and while she's got an appointment there, I'll have a wander around. There's a market nearby apparently, so I'd like to see that. And then we're heading our separate ways. She's coming back home and I'm going back home to our own separate homes. It's only 3 degrees, it's so cold. I think I'm gonna have to buy myself a pair of gloves. We are walking into the centre of Florence, Holly and me. It's about a 35-minute walk from where Celine's getting her hair done. So I think I might get a taxi back afterwards, but we're going to go right into the centre, have a wander around. I need one of them, a little scooter. Mask wearing is now obligatory outdoors, and there are police here that are stopping people and telling them to put their masks on if they're not wearing one. Luckily, I bought some festive ones the other day. Come on, people. Come on. Probably already said this before, but traditionally in Italy, Christmas decorations often don't go up until the 8th of December, and they are actually decorating the Christmas tree by the Duomo right now. Here obviously is the Ponte Vecchio. It's very, very crowded on the bridge at the moment. There's a lot of people here. So this is what it looks like on the bridge. You can't really tell it's a bridge when you're on it. Old wood-fronted jewellery shops all the way along. except when you get to the middle of the bridge. We are now in Piazza Santa Croce, where there is a Christmas market. Let's go have a look.
Just one cheese, salt,
Should
that
get
she
something
can
to eat.
eat, and
The
decide
way
what,
back, that
what
looks
she
good.
wants.
A pretzel maybe?
Okay.
I'll have a good look around first and see what else there is. Sí, sí. I can share this with Holly. So I ended up getting a hot dog which I can share with Holly in the car. I'm not quite sure how. And some lovely roast potatoes which I'm going to eat now for fuel. And after this I've got a 5.5 hour drive back home. And I'm ready to go. And we're home. It is pouring with rain and I'm soaking wet. And my feet are killing me. Oh, my shoulders are killing me. Sea's getting rough. We're going down to take a look. Also ensuring that we have our daily walk. I cannot stress how important it is to not go down there when the sea's like this. It's extremely dangerous. There was a woman down there just now and I just went and told her off because somebody died doing that a few years ago. It's not funny, it's not safe. You never know how big the next wave is going to be. Do not go down there to pose for photos when the weather is like this. In the winter, it's not a restaurant, it is boat storage central.